So this is for the bit box. We need two measurements. One is 9 3/4 by 9 7/8. All right, and then we have 8 3/8 by 8 3/8. So the first one I'm going to do is a 9 3/4 by 9 7/8. I'm going to get this piece, make sure that it's square. Okay. Now I'm going to mark it out as 9 3/4. By 9 7/8. Okay, so this is labeled B. And our other piece needs to be 8 3/8 by 8 3/8. So I'm going to use that same edge, but I'll use this roller so you can see it a little bit better. Cut these out. Got my two pieces that I need. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lay out this one first. So to reassemble this so that it actually does what it's supposed to do, you have to put the groove side in the groove on the part and then just tighten it up. Alright, I'm not happy with the 9 7/8 measurement. It looks like it's a little big, so I'm going to redo it. Okay, so now looking at this 9 3/4 by 9 7/8. So this has to be 9 7/8 is going, you've got 1/2 inch plus 1.5 inches. All right, and then you've got 6, then 1/2 inch. And then 1.25 inches. Okay, so the 9 3/4 is going long ways. So we'll lay that one out first because it's the easiest. Set this to 1/2 inch. Then we're just gonna scratch this here. Then we're going to go an inch. We're going to go to 2 inches because we have to account for the inch or the 1/2 inch plus 1.5 inches. So we scratch it again. And then from there, it's 6 inches. So that's a total of 8. Scratch it again. Then 1 1/4 gives me 9 1/4. And I should be left after that with a 1/2 inch. And that's exactly what I have there. So now I need to make those lines all the way across. Okay. So now all we have to do is rotate it this way. We've got 1/2 inch. And then we have 1 3/4, because 1/2 plus 1 1/4 is 1 3/4. Then we go 6 3/8 across. So 1 3/4 plus 3/8 is 7 7/8. And then we have 7 7/8 plus 1 1/4 is 9 1/8. Wait, I did that one. That's 6. That's supposed to be 6 3/8. So that should have been. I made it 6 1/8. So I actually need to go to 6 3/8, which is right there. And then I need to go 1 1/4 beyond that mark. And I'm left with a 1/2 inch. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is draw those lines all the way up. that is the bit box laid out. Now I just need to do the top. The top is very easy. Doesn't matter which way you orient it. Set this to a 1/2 inch. I'm going to scratch a 1/2 inch on both sides. And on either the front or the back. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and draw these all the way across. One. Two. Three. Now, I need to do the following. The last part, I need to do 3/8, half, and half. Okay, so I'm going to go light on the 3/8. Mark it. Then I'm going to go from that mark. I'm going to go a 1/2 inch up. And then I'm going to go another 1/2 inch up. Alright, so now I'm going to stretch this all the way across.